Okay, it's Monday, May 2nd, beginning of the month, and I'm going to buy some Tesla 880 puts here at 36.11. You can see here the 880 puts are essentially this blue line I just drew in. I'm buying the puts here on this red bar heading lower. Earlier in the day, I bought the stock, seeing if we might get a reversal day to the upside. As it turns out, it looks like it's the type of thing where, as I discussed in the prior video, we just kind of took out the overnight highs, and now the bigger downtrend's resuming. And that's kind of how I'm going to play it here as we start the week going forward. So again, if you look at this little area, this second push up on the day is kind of a broadening little action here to take out those highs. Now we're coming down, to the halfway point of this little move up from here to here. It's kind of a compound outside bar. So then I'm expecting this low to be taken out on the downside, since we're kind of coming halfway back through the broadening action. Then when that low is taken out, then the whole day is kind of a negative day. This ends up being the high of the day, kind of on the fifth bar, and we could start approaching the lows. And in the bigger picture, again, this was the type of thing where, if you look here on the month, I'm kind of anticipating after a big red month that we continue lower this month in May and kind of work towards these possibly these lows here in the 700 area. We'll just, there's a whole month to go, but at the minimum, we should take out the low of the prior month, which is 821. And then you can see the next target here is kind of the 750 area, then 700. So there is a bunch of target. I think we should take out last month's red low, just given the monthly bar. That's why I'm biased to the downside. Weekly chart again. We did start inside of last week on a Monday, but we'll see if this is the failure day, and we just kind of continue lower here towards these targets, which looks likely. So again, the trend's down. I'm more in line with the bigger picture here, which is where I'm, I was more comfortable anyway. Again, on the 15-minute chart, I'm just seeing this as kind of a first move of the day up to take out the overnight highs, and that sets up kind of the reversal to really get in line with some of the bigger picture targets. So at some point, either, later today, I'm expecting these lows to be taken out. We'll see if the intraday lows taken out, and then we'll see how we resume this downtrend towards these targets in the lower 800s, and there are much bigger targets below for this month until everything changes. So this red month yesterday sort of set the tone for a continuation downside Tesla, and I'm just gonna I'm buying the puts here today on the first day of the week, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes.